Guys, I'm out here today with Skinny Medic, and we have a great backdrop here at the gun range where we've been shooting all day, and we're going to talk about their new response kit. And this is an upgrade IFAK that has a lot of trauma treatments in here in case you get into a bad situation. And so we're going to take a look at some of the contents in here. And so, Skinny, tell me a little bit about what you got.
This was a kit that's a little bit bigger than your individual first aid kit. This is a kit that we felt like you could put in your vehicle to kind of take care of the minor wounds all the way up to the trauma, the real bad nasty stuff. But it was a little bit bigger kit than you would carry like on your bug out bag, your personal kit.
So you're offering two different packs, and talk about the difference. I know there's a little bit of a price difference, but why go with these packs? This
is the deployment bag made by Condor, and this is the fat pack made by VanQuest. Both are good packs. This is made of 500D fabric. This is the 1000D fabric. The VanQuest bag is a little water repellent. I've had it at the range before with it raining, and it kept the gear inside nice and dry. With the Condor pack, it's still a good pack, but to me, it didn't repel the water as good.
This does seem to have some extra features to it. It is a little more softer. The VanQuest bag is really nice and rigid, well made, and I think the organizational may be a little bit better in this one. You've
got a couple main compartments. You got one main compartment here, a smaller pocket in here, where everything's contained on the inside for VanQuest. So this is the inside of the VanQuest pack. You've got multiple pockets. You've got your elastic band that kind of holds all the gear in tight. You've also got a shock cord with your webbing here, so you can put smaller items in here and secure them, so when you go to open your flap, it doesn't open up. The one cool feature I like about this pack is the zipper compartment here. Keeps your really small items nice and secure, but you can move it to this side.
That's pretty cool.
Over here, if your layout fits it better. All right, so looking at the front compartment here, this is where your small items are. You got just a pair of tweezers. They're not the best tweezers in the world, but they're better than not having any pair of tweezers. You need to get splinters, small items together. Added the pin light into this kit. This is for checking someone's pupils response. There again, it's not the brightest flashlight because you are shining someone's pupils, but it does add a flashlight into the kit.
Yeah, and a lot of times I'll have an EDC flashlight on me, but I may have left it somewhere. It seems like I've gotten into things like that before and needed it.
Having a flashlight in your IFAK is super important. Got your EMT scissors. If you've got to expose someone's leg, pants leg, clothing, cut it away. Even cutting the bandages, it's good to have a good pair of scissors in your pack. And then we get into some more of the smaller items here. Antibiotic ointment here, cortisone cream. You've got burn cream here. These are for bite and sting pads. I've used these from a little girl when she got stung by a bee, and they worked really good to take the pain away. Some Band-Aids, always important to have Band-Aids. You can have $1,000 worth of gear, and the most important thing you're gonna hand out is Band-Aids. Butterfly bandages as well. They're again for those larger wounds that needs to be closed up. These work really well. You've got alcohol pads and betadine pads here to keep the wounds clean. Also, we threw in some medicine here for you as well. There's 2 packs of betadine, 2 packs of aspirin. You get 2 packs of Benadryl and 2 packs of Tylenol. On the side pocket here, 2 pair of non-latex gloves, as well as a roll of cloth tape. On the other side here, Mylar blanket. This is going to be super important to keeping your patient warm. It doesn't take much for your patient to go into shock and they start losing body heat, so if we can cover them with a blanket, that'll keep them nice and warm. And of course on the outside here, we did go with the CPR shield. Even though they've kind of downplayed mouth-to-mouth now, it's still important to have this before someone's choking or they're drowning. Even kids, it's still important to do mouth-to-mouth too. So even though they've downplayed doing mouth-to-mouth to adults, it's still important to have a CPR mask. Looking in the main compartment here, you've got 4x4s, 5x9s. The 4x4s are going to be for your minor wounds. The 5x9 is going to be for your larger wounds that have more bleeding. Roll of cling to secure the bandaging. Triangle bandages to do your sling and swath, to do splinting for arms, legs. We did put an ice pack in there as well. We also put an aluminum splint in here as well. This is going to be for your extremities, like your arms and legs that may have been fractured. But the cool thing about this one is it comes with a co-band with it. So typically when you buy these, you've got to figure out how to secure them to the leg once you fold them into place. But this has the co-band ready to go, so it's all in one package. We did put an Aureli's bandage on here. I like these. This is probably my favorite bandage. Right here, you can make a tourniquet, you can do a pressure bandage, you can secure all these bandage supplies with this one bandage here. We also did an inclusive dressing here. This can be made to be used as a chest seal. You open this package up, put it on someone's chest, tape the corners, and you have a chest seal ready to go.
So here are all the contents laid out, and you can organize this however you want to. It's really good though also to get first aid instruction. You know, you can go to the Red Cross, you can go to different places. Getting this kind of instruction is really important, and I know a lot of guys talk about that when they see these kits demonstrated. Just having them in place is not really, you really need them though together. And to know how to use them.
Exactly, that's what I've started to say at the end of my videos. You know, I used to say, you never know when you'll be the first responder. And I've kind of added the tagline now is you need the right gear and the right training. They both work together to make the perfect combination.
So now the price on the kit's a little bit different for the Condor and then the VanQuest. The VanQuest is a little more expensive. What's the price on the Condor with all the response kit?
The response kit in the Condor pack is $69.99, and then the response kit in the VanQuest pack is $84.99.
And so where can they find these?
Go to shop.skinnymedic.com.
And check out Skinny Medic's channel. There's a lot of different things that he puts on there. A lot of it medical related, a lot of it gun related and survival. And he does a lot of quick tips that are really good too as well. He is a full-time paramedic, and he is on the truck, and you see it every day.
Absolutely.
So this is a really credible kit that he's putting together. And I think that you'll find that it's just really, it takes care of your needs in most of your critical situations. So I thank Skinny Medic for coming out with me to the range today and showing us this kit. He does offer a Such 10% discount if you use Such00 when you check out. And just a great kit to have. Guys, you need to have medical with you at all times. I always keep a trauma kit in my car or my truck, and it's really important. In case you ever, because it may not just be you, it may be family members, it may be friends. And if you're doing a lot of things like we are, going out and shooting during the day, it's really important. So the Skinny Medic response kit, I gotta give it a big thumbs way up.
You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.
Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America, long live the Republic. I need to do the big thumbs up. Because if I don't do thumbs way up, then people are going to say, well, you just said thumbs up. That ain't thumbs way up.
That's fine.
All right, so here. Good bit.
You never know when you'll be the first responder.
They do it. I'm sticking my finger right here.
Put this pack in a Condor. I can't talk.
Okay, so he can't talk. So when he begins to talk, then maybe we'll finish this video. Okay, so the Condor pack is a little bit less expensive than the VanQuest. So what's the price on the Condor with the kit, the response kit?
The response kit in the Condor pack is $64.99, and 69.
Oh, ye of little faith.
69.
He doesn't even know the price. I know the price.
My wife does all this. She prices it.
She's the one that keeps him floating. All right.
Excuse me.
Bless you. Bless you, son. Woo. Bless you.